All right, YouTube, back with another video. Working on a customer's car right here real quick. Got my tires I wanted for my truck back on. Let me go over here and show you what the dealership will sell you. They must try to do this purposely just to make money. But what they do is you get the new sending unit for your fuel pump on that side and a new fuel pump. And what they did is, I can't show you under here, but they switched the wires around. Not here. These wires are all correct. But instead of having them correctly here, they switched the two wires inside the pump, and it will not work with your plug.
4 and 3.
4 and 3. 4 and 3 have to be switched on the plug, which it states it right on the back here. Is it back here?
No, you had it right.
I did, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Anyway, the numbers are right on the top part. So 4 and 3, number 4 and 3 wire has to be reversed and put it onto the pump. Yes, I said reverse, because if you don't reverse it, your pump will not work. So we just reversed it. We got the new pump in here, new sending unit. We put a crank sensor in this car. What else we put in this car? It's been a long day.
Starter?
The starter was a whole different issue, but that was a different issue on that one. Make sure it clicks in. But why would the dealership manufacture a pump and reverse two wires inside the pump? Your wire's pinching right here. Reverse two wires in the pump and cause us mechanics all this headache. It don't make sense to me. I figure I go to the dealership because I like the dealership ones. They always work. The aftermarket ones don't really work with Dodge. But why would they reverse them? Anyway, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Just had to go on my little rant about that. This is a 2013 Dodge Charger. When we put a 5.7 in this a while back, right? 5.7 Hemi. All right, and again, got my tires on my Ram.
It's the same chassis that been on. This is the same chassis that been on your YouTube that you took the block out of.
Oh yeah, that's right. This is the one that I was working on, and I ended up giving it to my other guy at Firestone for his Hemi. But don't forget, we also got the Whipple right here. There's the big boy.